guy's house. He's gonna help us storm chase today. He's 68 years old, but he's still got it. Shit, my horn doesn't work because I took it out so I could armor the car. Here we go. Sir? Sir, I heard you want to help us chase tornadoes.
Hey there, buddy. Yeah, I've been wanting to do this my whole life.
We'll take you in the scout car.
Alright, hold on, I'm slow.
Convoy. Scout car to convoy. I picked up the old man. We're watching the storm cell right now. We're not seeing anything. Shit.
Car's so cool.
There we go. Yeah, we took out a lot of parts, reinforced everything. It's lightweight, so we can get out loaded tornadoes. That's bulletproof glass right there.
Oh my god, that's so cool.
We're on the lookout. There's a supercell in the area. 2 cold fronts and 2 warm fronts are colliding right now.
That's... oh my god.
We're gonna park in the center
That's
of town.
dangerous.
And we're gonna watch the skies. If we see anything, we're gonna get in this car. We're gonna hit the pedal to the metal. We're gonna set up a camera.
Alright.
And we'll have you film.
Alright, that's awesome.
Stories for us?
It's Storm Chaser 9. We're setting up our equipment. We're monitoring the cell now. You gotta be careful. This thing's moving fast.
I fucking love
What's all this stuff do?
And we're tracking the weather pattern right now with this stuff. If I could stop getting in my car and get shot. Hold on. Yeah, we're all set up here. Scout car.
I don't know what you're talking about. The other day, I was
Sir?
on Slash and jailbait.
Oh my god.
The funniest
It's
post
forming
I've
right
ever
above
seen.
us. Quickly, get the camera out. Get the camera out.
And it was filled to
I
the
got
It's an F1.
I need to stop. I'm gonna get.
We got
I
it.
need to
Yep.
stop.
Take some pictures quick. We are not in this pathway, I don't think. Oh my god, the roof of that house just flew off. That was the radio station.
How close you want me to get?
We need to get in the car. Come on. Forget the equipment. We can come back for it. Come on, start.
That thing fell off. I think it
It's
broke.
alright, it's alright. It's turned into an F3 within seconds. Oh my god, what is it doing? Quickly, get out and start filming. My god. I don't know how much closer we can get to it. It's moving across the landscape. Get in the car. I can't. It's dead. Get out and film it. Quick. Look out. It's getting too close.
Oh.
Run. No. I think the wind stopped. Are you okay? Are you all right?
good.
That was a false start. That was a false starting tornado. Whatever it did, it wiped out the radio station. Get in. Come on. All those armor platings interrupt the car's cooling system. That's why it's hard to start sometimes. We're gonna get back in position, get all of our gear set up again. Here, you fix everything. I gotta go take a piss. I'm hearing some wind. What's going on? Oh my god,
right
we got
there.
touchdown. We got touchdown. Get in there. Scout car 1. We've got a tornado. It's moving. It's obliterating the building. Holy shit. Look at that. That's a big cell. I dropped my scanner somewhere out here. I don't know how big it is. It looks like an F2. It's developing into an F3. It's heading to the gas station. It's hitting the gas station, I think. Oh my
That
god.
thing's pretty big.
We gotta get closer, come on. Oh my
I'm
god.
slow.
Look how big it is. Wait. Oh my god. It's getting too close. It's an entire
What?
wall of dirt. Holy shit. I can't believe the size of it. Oh, uh-oh. No! Get out of there!
What?
It's getting too close!
No.
No. This one's reporting right above us. Oh my god! Look at the size of that one.
I'll get some pictures for you, fella.
It's an F2. No! No! No!